Hey, it's Big Jeff with another giveaway, and we are talking about the Get Piped bi-weekly giveaways. And this next one is a big one. Not one, but two TXX-BDC 5-stack 12s. And to power that up, bam! An APHF-3000D, that Brazilian power. Now, how do you win? Real simple. One, like this video. Comment your name, location, why you should win, and you got to share this out. That's most important. Then when you do that, just text the word audio, AUDIO, to our number, 737-244-5333. It's easy, 737-BIG-JEFF. Now, when you do that, you're going to get an auto reply saying thanks for entering. What is the code word? And the code word was in the unboxing of this. So in this video there'll be a link to it, so if you didn't watch, you got to go back, watch the unboxing, and get the code word. Now, how will we announce the winner? We always do it on the Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast, and this one for this giveaway will be Tuesday, March 18th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. We will never tell you when in comments, so if you see that, it's probably a scam. We will announce you on the upcoming podcast. So simple: like, comment, share, and text the word audio to 737-BIG-JEFF, and that is it. When you share it out, hey, it's not going to hurt to share a couple extra places, will it? The more we spread the Audiopipe and the Big Jeff name, the more giveaways we could do. So the Audiopipe third bi-weekly giveaway for the two 12-inch subwoofers and the 3000 watt amp starts right now.